Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. Mary, praise
Sige, sige, sige.
Amen. Bless us, O Lord, in this age, about to receive the bounty through Christ, O Lord. Amen. Mara na po kamo.
Ilutan mo na.
Mara po.
Uy, ito na, nito kawan siguro. Nani, manuwa ko yung lagi-lagi. Lang. Lang, matukulo yaw.